In this section, we'll see another use case for the git rebase command. It's one that I actually quite like using. It's called interactive rebasing, and we'll use it in this section to clean up our git history, basically to go back and reword commits, like not just the previous commit, but 10, 50, 100 commits, probably not that far back normally, but you can reword commits, you can edit commits, we can do something called fixing up and squashing commits, we can even drop commits entirely. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that with the interactive rebase command. I will say that this is all going to go in nice to have. It's personally, I like using it. It's part of my workflow when I work with Gits. But not everyone does this, and it's not something that really I could say is important or critical, but I like it, and I think it's kind of fun, honestly. It's different than a lot of what we do with Git. Anyway, nice to haves. I wouldn't skip it. It's a short section, and I hope you enjoy it. It's kind of fun to go back and edit and manipulate Git history that's already happened. Okay,